Right, listen up. Building a car is a bit like baking a cake. You need a plan. It all starts with an idea, a spark of inspiration. Car makers think, what do people need? And what would be cool to drive? They want to create something amazing, something that turns heads and makes life easier. This is the dream before the metal, the vision before the rubber hits the road. It's about excitement and innovation, all rolled into one. Once the car makers have an idea, it's time to draw. Designers sketch ideas like artists with a purpose. They think about the car's shape, size, and what it will look like inside. These days, they also use powerful computers. These computers turn sketches into three-dimensional models. They can even simulate how the car will move through the air. It's all about getting the look and feel just right. Next, they build a prototype. It is like a test car built by hand. They poke and prod it, checking if everything works. This is where they find out if the car is safe and fun to drive. They might even crash it on purpose. Don't worry, it's all very controlled. They want to make sure the car protects people in a real accident. Safety first, always. Now the real action begins. Huge factories with massive machines come to life. Giant robots, like something out of a sci-fi film, swing into action. They lift, weld, and assemble the car piece by piece. It's like a well-oiled machine with hundreds of people working together. From the chassis to the engine, every part finds its place. From bland to brilliant, the art of color. The car is built, but it's a bit dull. Time for some color. The car goes through a giant paint booth, getting covered in multiple layers. They don't just use any old paint. It's specially designed to resist scratches and shine for years. It's like giving the car its own suit of armor, making it look smart and sleek. Before it leaves the factory, the car goes through rigorous tests. They check everything, from the engine to the lights. They listen for rattles, look for imperfections, and make sure everything is perfect. It's like a final exam for the car, and it has to pass with flying colors. Finally, the car is ready. It's loaded onto trucks or trains and sent to dealerships. That's where you come in. You get to choose the perfect car for your adventures. From the factory floor to your driveway, it's been quite a journey. And it's all made possible by the hard work of thousands of people. The world of cars is always changing. Electric cars, self-driving cars, it's an exciting time. Who knows what the future holds? Flying cars, maybe. One thing's for sure, the journey of car making is full of innovation, creativity, and a love of all things automotive. So next time you see a car, remember the journey it took to get there. Appreciate the design, the engineering, and the craftsmanship. And when you're behind the wheel, enjoy the ride. It's your turn to be a part of the story, to create your adventures on the open road.